Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, let's work on exercise number 8. This is the expanded image, and I'll just minimize this and let's start working. Let's try to create few sketches on the front plane. Let's dimension them. Let's create symmetry. And also we have to specify the height of this, that's 75. Now as we have complete black colored sketch, it means that it's fully constrained. Now exit the sketch and go for features, extrude, and then you can specify this full length over here, that's 87. You can give 87 divided by 5 and direction to 87 divided by 2. What's that error that you're getting? Sketch contains more than one open contour. If you get such kind of an error, it's always good that you go back to the sketch and check what's wrong on the sketch. Edit sketch and just zoom in all the places and you'll be able to see there are some mistakes. I don't know what to call this because it just comes without our knowledge. So exit the sketch and go for extrude, and you can give 43.5 in both direction. And then you can give this particular slot by going to this plane and giving a sketch, and we can convert entities and create a line here, and use the trim command to trim these lines, and also use the smart dimension command to dimension this portion, that's 12 mm. Now you have a fully constrained sketch because it's black here, and now you can go for extruded cut of 12 mm and select that extruded cut, or you can just simply select this line here, this edge, and go for a new point, and you can give 50%. 50%. Now you have created a point over there. Now you can create a plane and specify the point over there. So you have a plane there. So the whole point is to mirror this particular cut extrude feature here. So select that cut extrude feature and then go for mirror here and select this plane and click on tick mark, and that particular feature will be mirrored. And now you can go back and do this slot by clicking on the plane and going for sketch, and you can use a centered rectangle and just create this portion. Select this line, select this line and this line, and go for collinear. And now you can select this edge and specify the edge length as 37, and also you can select this line here, this line and this line, and then don't have to do that. You can create a center line and select this line, center line and this line, and go for symmetry. Exit the sketch, and now you can simply extrude with 12 mm. So finally, now our last step is to create a hole or a square hole. So you simply create a sketch there and select 4 of these edges, 1, Control 2, Control 3 and Control 4, and convert entities. Now again select those lines, Control 2, Control 3, Control 4, and make them for construction. Okay, now what you can do next is use a smart dimension and just dimension driving. You can just no, you can delete this and do that step once again. You can use this dimension driven, make this dimension driven. Now you can simply insert a centered rectangle. So before inserting a centered rectangle, what you can do is you can put a center line and also create another center line, and then use a centered rectangle and use this point and create a rectangle, and use them, or use the dimensioning tool to give 25 each. Now you have the black, the whole sketch color is black, which means it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch and go for extruded cut, and then go for up to next, and you can select this as the direction and click on the tick button and click outside once, and you will be able to see that our model is ready. So that's about exercise number 8. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any doubts, you can write below the video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.